Hey everybody, it's your old friend Oxo coming back to you again from a little bit of a vacation. So I am coming back to you again to do our favorite soundtrack. That's right there folks, RWBY. RWBY just launched its season 5 soundtrack on the same day that I decided to take a vacation. It literally dropped on that same day and I was like, really? Really? That's all good, but that's the nature of it. I wanted to take a little bit of break, kind of take a break from the shenanigans that was a Red versus Blue. Not saying there was anything wrong, just needed to kind of slow down a little bit and kind of unwind. We've been burning through Red versus Blue pretty quickly, so we're gonna go ahead and get this done today, and then we're gonna continue on like normal throughout the week. So hopefully you enjoy this. Love to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me. You're an amazing individual, and to everyone that sticks with me and watches my new videos, thank you so much for tuning in once again to check this out. I've been looking forward to this soundtrack ever since the volume. There's some great songs in there that I heard during the series, so don't mind the bad singing. I know a lot of YouTubers that do reactions to RWBY that are in the same position as we are as far as being done with all the seasons, have already gotten to it, so hopefully you don't mind listening to it again. Alright, well folks, let's go ahead and get to it. This is Triumph. I like this song. Oh, yes. God. You're a god, Jeff. Nice. All right. That is awesome. Okay. We are now going to get to Ignite. It's got my goddess on there. Yang.
Hello there, my enemy. Welcome to my punching spree. This is where I lay waste and you'll go home bleeding. Didn't have to be this way. Should have stayed out of the fray. Heading for a beating.
Ah, good stuff.
Didn't mother warn you? Now she's gonna mourn you. Being damned if that you'll end this day. You're a big mess, 'cause I'm relentless. I gotta tell you I'm on fire today. Crash and burn. Yet every misshape they inspire suffers with judgment and pain. But just as light conquers darkness, a beauty that's greater than your symmetry can contain. So let's start the game. For you shouldn't stare into these eyes of fire. You're going to regret this little fight. You don't wanna mess with me, I'm something higher. Anguish you'll know for your miserable plight. Soon you'll bemoan your mistake of a life. You'll watch yourself suffer, you'll watch me ignite.
Okay.
Usually I devastate, this I might annihilate. Any minute now you're gonna ruin me. Messing with my family means that soon you'll history. The moments of your life are fleeting. Looking pretty tattered, your blood is really splattered. Won't be long until I end this game. You're looking toothless, I'm feeling ruthless. Watch me burn as you go down in flames. Ache and any remarkable heart has gone through the hardship and shame. That's born of standing apart from the easily processed, the uniform army of same. And that's just so
Here we go. This is definitely a good song. I've heard it's still good, but this one.
I dominate and desecrate, leave you in a foul state, put you in the trash with that nonsense you perpetuate. Why you get me riled up? Don't you know I'm wild, bro? Bet you'll understand when I'm pissing on your ashes, son. Told you I'm torturous. When you feel the force of this blast, you'll crash like a cardiac explosion. Bitch, bloody body broken, no screw, this a bloodbath. Try to get away, but there's no escaping Alcatraz. Look what you made me do. Told you I was sorry, you fools. You lose blood, cold ice water, do. Riches in my bag of tricks. Hit you with the baddest licks ever. You'll never contend. I win. Bringing out the beast in me, challenging my decency. Now I gotta ask, do you really want a piece of me? Hope you're ready for the pain. Suffer when I hit your brain. Erase your essence from earth. No need to explain.
you should stare into these eyes of fire. You're going to regret this little fight. You don't wanna mess with me, I'm something higher. Anguish you'll know for your miserable plight. Soon you'll be more your mistake of a life.
a good song. What a good. Oh, yes. Get you pumped. All his stuff gets you pumped. Jeff, like I said, Jeff and Casey and just Lamar and all those guys that do this stuff. It's just amazing that they can create so much, and it's just makes me happy to listen to their music again. I mean, I listen to it on every now and then with the other soundtracks, but it's nice to hear new stuff. I'm sure they do other things other than RWBY, but I'm just this is what I watch. So, all right, on to the next one. Let it finish out.
It starts with the unexpected loss of something dear.
Oh, this was part of her trailer. Okay. And this is The Path to Isolation.
That comforted and cradled just disappears. And in its place there's nothing, just an endless empty hole. The light that showed the way is gone, and darkness takes control. Bitterness and anger are quick to fill the void. The path to isolation is littered with the dreams that lay destroyed.
Yeah.
The cold seems to grow in my soul, it's consuming me. Confused, and I'm losing myself in the storm. Growing jaded, being pushed, being pulled, I'm unraveling. Can't find myself when I'm constantly forced to conform. Enemies surround me, but the worst appear as friends. Liars and pretenders only seek to reach their ends. Everything is breaking right before my eyes. Looking in the mirror, I see someone that I don't recognize.
God, now I'm just thinking about her updated trailer.
The joy that my heart used to know is losing.
Oh, now we're getting to the rock.
And the one thing I feel is alone. Lights faded, and I'm spinning and sinking, awakening. Frozen in solitude, loneliness chills to the bone. Memories escaping as my heart begins to drain. Skies that cover wounds can't hide the self-inflicted pain. Everything my mind wants, conflict with my heart. Fighting back surrender, but every day I'm falling more apart. What's this thing I see? Who is staring back at me? Stranger to my heart and still at my mind. Mirror,
Ah, such a beautiful song. Beautiful. Just like her character, Weiss. Beautiful. Just elegant and just well done, well put together. Just amazing. All right. This is Smile. Ilya, that's...
Child, our daughter, sit while we talk a while. You've done no misdeed, still they'll put your life on trial. Born like your family, far from any state of grace. You're as perfect as the wind and sky, but they'll treat you like you're out of place.
This world is cold. The power is with those who would judge and control. But we have a chance to make it right. This is what you'll do. Show them how you smile. It's only for a while. Take what you need, leave them to bleed. Let
wow.
them know bitter while your revenge is sweet. Keep the secret, pretending you're just like them. Live there like a princess in the kingdom of selfish men. Play their game now. Do what it takes to win. Steal it back. All they keep from you. They refuse to look beyond your skin.
This is good. I like this.
When your heart will know when the time is right to end the lie. When the charade is through,
Show them how you smile. It's only for a while. Take what you need, leave them to bleed. Let them know bitter while your revenge is sweet.
you might think that maybe they're changing. You'll pray that their hatred is waning. That's when it hurts most to find the story unfolds and the cruelties exposed. You'll be glad you're not mankind.
Oh, here we go. Get that guitar solo, buddy. Get that soft solo. Ah, yes.
Show them how you smile. It's only for a while. Take what you need, leave them to bleed. Let them know bitter while your revenge is sweet.
Nice. I'm going to pause it just for a few minutes. We'll get to the next one here in a second. I think Ilya was a good character. Look at this portrait. This definitely, she's pretty in my eyes. She's got personality. She's got a lot of burdens on her soul that she felt like that this was the only path to take. And I can kind of understand where she's coming from, to the point that she felt isolated. She felt like that she needed to do, and this song really made me realize that that she had to really put up a front for a long time, and she was really kind of only doing it just to get through, because she was kind of plotting to take out Blake and her family. So so all right, but on to the next one. Oh, here it is. Here's it. This one I've been looking forward to the most. All things must die. This is the battle with Cinder and Raven. So I remember this one. Oh, look at that artwork.
Day by day, it's nearer. Step by step, you grow closer to your ruin. Soon your time to go. Life is just a journey. Yours is near its end. Bloody evolution. This world transcends. Black out the sky. All things must die. This is the end. Here's where you'll die. Legends should scatter, so just say goodbye. No one will miss you when you're finally gone. And your conclusions in your swan song. Matter and kindness, conspiracy. Endless extinguished in effigy. Just close your eyes. Don't fear demise. Black out the sky.
Yes.
All things must die. All tales conclude, all bonds dissolve. Infinite matter will always evolve. Just pray for mercy at your time of death. Be glad you existed and draw your last breath. Grateful before sing this eulogy. Fall of the tenets of treachery. Rest now, subside. With fate collide.
Here's a kill.
Black out the sky.
Yes.
All things must die. It's time to accept, to abide. Admit that the end was arrived. Resign, comply. It's time to be one with the sky. Surrender your pride. Let death be your guide. All things must die.
Here we go. Come on.
Don't fear demise. Black out the sky. All things must die.
Oh, yes. I've been looking forward to that song ever since I heard that during the battle. Oh. And when I went to look it up and what it was called, and I was like, man, all things must die. And I was like, man, that is going to be a badass song. So, yes, That was definitely badass. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. This time, From the Shadows Part 2. So this is like a Blake and Sun song. And we got All That Matters.
Friends, listen closely, I won't say this twice. Hope's running out and we haven't much time. Please understand that the life we once planned out is over. Now is the time you must fight for your lives. The battle is on, you're already inside. Don't turn back now, there's nowhere to hide. Nowhere to build a new world. Nowhere to start anew. Here now is all that we've got. Ready or not, there's a war to be fought. Only one way through. This time, the waves of the past will get over. We'll climb and light in a new state of mind. And now I'll stand with you shoulder to shoulder.
I keep on saying that, but this is so good. Yeah, this guitar solo. Yes.
We change the spine to love. To save our faith and walk beside the human race. Past is gone and soon behind us. Victory through trust and kindness. We will restore the path we've been shown to unfighting on. We will win this war. This time, the waves of the past will get over. We'll climb and light in a new state of mind. And now I'll stand with you shoulder to shoulder. Out of the ashes, a new flaming light.
Yeah. Just gotta just enjoy it. Our okay. I look. Ooh. Sorry. Fortunately, my AC went out, so I am dealing with that. So that is fun. And it's hot. It is very hot. All right. Let's go ahead and continue. All that matters. It's my two girls. Oh, two of my girls. Look at that artwork.
Never thought that you would stay forever. Never asked you to commit your life. But I can tell you in my heart, I never thought you'd up and leave me without a trace to lead me. And now you're standing here with that look in your eyes. The look that makes me hope I'll just believe your lies. You're lost, you're found, you're hard to pin down. I never know if you'll come through. Then you appear, together we're here, and that's all that matters somehow. Thought that I could pull you from the shadows, maybe help you find your wings and fly. But you're a path no longer that I travel. The more I'm just defeated, my past mistakes repeated. I'll risk it once again to have you near my side. Another chance to let you just destroy my pride. You're lost, you're found, you're hard to pin down. I never know if you'll come through. Then you appear, together we're here, and that's all that matters somehow. I feel like I'm running out of energy. Will you just take everything in stride? The way I feel to you is no big deal. It's sad, but it's true that the one thing I can count on is that I can't count on you.
So good. Look at our girls.
You're lost, you're found, you're hard to pin down. I never know if you'll come through. Then you appear, together we're here, and that's all that matters somehow.
That's it. Oh my gosh. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Oh wow. This particular soundtrack was not very long. It was a lot shorter than the previous one. Maybe about the same. I don't know. I'd have to look back. I think I was sitting there longer than this. But we're going to talk for a few minutes. Man, what a good end. I like having that one at the end. That was good. First off, again, wonderful soundtrack. I wanted to bring up some things to you guys. My thoughts on season 5. A lot of people give season 5 a lot of flack, and I think that season 5 was just fine. I mean, it wasn't a bad one. Right before, probably about a month ago, right before the soundtrack dropped, it was about a month out, and I was seeing some trends because I watch RWBY a lot, and YouTube loves to give you trends on stuff that you watch, and some of it was on, the day that RWBY died, the day that how season 5 destroyed RWBY and stuff like that. No. RWBY will exist as long as it needs to, and it will exist because of us. And what I think is artistic we know everyone has their own art, okay? And what I mean by art is not just painting. Art is anime too. Art is music. Art is anything you could think of that is something that you create. And it's not just to painting. A lot of people associate that to painting. But I feel like art is more inclusive because it can include a lot of things. So when I say that, people have different ways to present art. And to tell a story, coming from a DM's point of view, because I am a D&D nerd, and I think that everyone has their story that they want to tell and how they want to present it. But everyone's not going to see eye to eye on that. The only way that a DM is ever going to get better, and this is just to give you a little bit of food for thought, anytime that you have an issue with someone that you have a story with, talk to them, message them, see if you can get a hold of them, and let them know how you feel. Because we got the story that they wanted to tell, but it wasn't the story that a lot of people wanted. And I felt like it was good. I feel like, honestly, that season 5, while a really good, a decent season, was more like a filler. And I hope that you understand why I think that. It's just that I feel like that it was just meant to bring the girls back together, have the big reveal of Raven, and have a little bit of more growth with the girls. More growing. Because they're still constantly growing. Our girls are, they're still young. They're still going to be naive in some things. They're still going to do stupid stuff. And like, between Blake and Yang, that is just, this particular song made me think of this. And I hope that Yang can forgive her. I think that they are a wonderful team together. And no, I'm not trying to ship the two. I mean, I get it, Bumblebee, but I'm not trying to ship them. That's not my thing. I don't try to ship people, although I do see the ship. But I mean, I don't try to put them in a box, as it were. They have their own growth. They have their own ambitions and drives. So whatever they decide to do is whatever they decide to do. So with that, I know I'm ranting, but I wanted to get that off my chest. I've been thinking about that for some time. It's just that I felt like that a lot of people gave, season 5 a lot of flack. Let me know what your thoughts are. I always love hearing your feedback, your thoughts, your feedback, your advice, your things that you're thinking. And I'm so excited for RTX. I hope that I can go. I really do. I am planning on it. We still got about 2 months away. hopefully I can, save up the money and get there and get back. Like I said a couple weeks back, I got some wonderful help with my rent, which was amazing. Thank you so much to the individuals that did support me in that aspect. That was so kind of you. I know I keep on, it's just helpful to keep on going. I mean, my job is not awesome. It pays, it keeps, at least it keeps a roof over my head and keeps bills, so I can't complain too much. Although, like I said, the AC is kind of out. So, fun times. Just money is always tight. And that's how it works. Not to bitch, but I am. All right. Well, I thank you so much. You wonderful, wonderful, wonderful people. You mean the world to me, and I'm glad I could be back and do this. And we'll be on Red versus Blue again. Someone told me I didn't need to do the rest of that stuff that was on season 5, so we'll probably won't do like that Gripfall and that DIY stuff. We'll probably just jump to the mini series, and then we'll get into season 6. So, all right. Well, I will see you next time. Peace.